Hey, what's going on, everyone? So I've got a filing system hack for you, and that is Notion. I think pretty much anyone who uses a computer on a daily basis can take advantage of this. So this is the default page they have, right? Getting started, and this is what it looks like. It'll be getting started, quick notes, personal home, task list, journal, reading list, etc. But as you can see, you can actually create your own pages, and I'm going to quickly go through these, but I've got a lot of pages that I've created. This wasn't really here. It was just a couple of these, not including these. I actually created these, but I moved them up there. But anyway, there's a lot you can do, really. Within that page you've created, that you can make more pages as well. You can insert links. The coolest thing I've seen is that you can actually insert a YouTube video link and you can watch it from Notion. That is awesome. But enough of that. There's a lot you can do with Notion, as I already stated, and I think pretty much anyone who uses a computer on a daily basis, as I already said, can make use of it. But in this video, I'll just show you how to create a table, right? Okay, so there we go. You create a page, right? Of course. Yeah, I need to work on those typing skills, huh? And then you go down to table, and then we're gonna create a table from a new database, and then you can just oh wow, and you could add a column. There we go. So I just added a column, and this is how you can now add data to your table. I think you could probably add more than just text. Oh no, it seems like, yeah, that's it. But you can definitely customize it as well. But as I said, I forgot what video I was watching, but the lady said that Notion is essentially almost like a second brain. So just being able to take mental notes, right, or just being able to jot your ideas down as you go along. And I think this for me has been a game changer, because I have no idea how many books I've went through over the years, books I've written on. So now I have all of this, but some things need to be backed up, because I'm not too sure, how much storage they have. Speaking of storage, don't go and you write every thought you have down on Notion. It's not a duplicate of your brain. It's like having a second brain. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I guess I'll see you on the next filing system hack or organizational hack. Take care.